What's good, guys? This is Azim Ali and I am back with another video. I hope you are all having an amazing day. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the current split that I am currently following and the reason why I am following it that way. So without further ado, let's get on. So let's talk about the split that I am currently following, that is push, pull, legs, and not necessarily in that same order. So what I actually mean by that is currently I'm following it in the anchoring muscle groups. So if I'm training my chest, then I'm going to be training my back and then shoulders and arms on one day and legs, calves and abs. I don't primarily do abs that much, but yeah, this is the current schedule that I've been following. Now I'm going to tell you guys why I'm following it this way. So let's move on to the next point. Now let's talk about why I'm actually following it this way. So I'm going to be dividing this point into two parts. So the first, the reason is because I'm actually getting multiple growth periods. What I mean by that is you don't actually need to train each body part or single muscle weekly, because you are actually wasting the growth opportunity. You can actually get multiple growth periods, and there is a scientific literature on this as well. I am not just kidding about it. There have been researches done on it as well. So you are getting multiple growth periods through push-pull legs. So let's take an example. This is a 3-day split push-pull legs. So on that first 3-day split, once I'm training my chest and back, shoulders and arms, and my legs and calves, I actually get to repeat that for the second part of the week as well. So I'm actually juicing out the opportunity of multiple growth periods. Believe me, you don't actually need to train single muscle once a week and that is it. You don't actually need a whole week to recover. That is just moronic. So don't follow that split. Now let's move on to the next part of the point. So the reason why I'm actually training this way is the opposing muscles way. That is going to be when I'm doing my chest, I'm doing my back. Because when I'm actually following the push-pull legs in the push-pull legs manner, which is chest, shoulder and triceps on one day, when I'm actually going hard on my chest, my shoulders and my triceps get tired and I'm not able to juice out and go as hard as possible on them, because of which I'm not able to juice out the gains that I want to juice out. So this is the reason why I actually keep them separately. So I'll keep my shoulders and arms separately. So what is happening here is when I'm training my chest and the other muscle is back, what's happening here is chest is your push muscle, back is your pull muscle. So while I'm working my chest, my back isn't coming into play, and when I'm doing my pull movement, that is going to be my back, the chest doesn't come into play. What happens here is my shoulders and triceps aren't getting tired because of that. So I actually enjoy it this way and I get to rest the other muscle when I'm training my chest and my back. So you get it now, right? Now let's move on to the last point, that is going to be efficiency. Now let's talk about efficiency and enjoyment. So what happens here is if I'm training opposing muscles in my push-pull legs, that is going to be, so what happens is I actually genuinely enjoy training major muscles together. That is going to be your chest and biceps. And one more thing that is happening here is when I'm training my chest and back, I'm actually enjoying it more and I'm actually not tiring myself out as much, because I don't have to invest that much time in the gym. Because if I'm investing a lot of time in the gym, what happens after a certain point is it ruins my day. It creates a brain fog for me, which ruins my day, and then I'm less productive throughout the day, which fucks up my mood, which is something I am not a big fan of. So because of which I actually enjoyed completing training my muscle in a shorter frame of time. And the other reason here is I get to train my legs separately, because I don't like any other muscle colliding with my legs. So what happens is if I'm training in a double muscle split, that is then my shoulders will collide with legs, and I don't like to fuck up my leg session with any other muscle. I like to go all out on my legs, and that is the reason why I like to keep them separately. And the last reason here is when I actually don't have to train 3 muscles on a single day, that is going to be your chest, shoulder and triceps. It's much more of a time saver. And when I'm doing chest and back on a single day, what I can do here is, because one movement is push and one movement is pull, I can train them subsequently together. So I can actually so let's take an example here. I can literally do my incline dumbbell bench press and I can go and do my seated rowings, because any of the pulling muscles aren't actually getting tired in the process. So it actually makes it way more efficient for me and way more easy for me. So, and I don't have to take as many long rest periods. So I can train chest and back together simultaneously and I don't have to rest in between them. That is the part of it that I massively enjoy, and it's much more of a time saver. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end my video right here. If you guys actually enjoyed this video, show some love by liking this video. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries or if you have any further video recommendations. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Subscribe, and also press on the notification bell. Until next time, have an amazing day, guys. See you.